Dear students, due to this epidemic situation, this time your second midterm examination will conduct online on Google Classroom. Here in this video, I am giving you some basic instruction for your second midterm online examination through Google Classroom. Let's get started. First point you should remember, you have to install Google Classroom app and Cam Scanner from Google Play Store. Second point, hard copy of the answer sheets will be submitted to exam cell once college reopens. So kindly place your answer script hard copy very safely. Third point, write clearly on your answer copy. On first page of your answer copy, write your college name, name of student, enrollment number, class, branch, name of subject with subject code. Let's see in this example. In the college name, you have to write Shibalaji College of Engineering and Technology. And name of student, you have to write your full name. In enrollment number, you have to write your enrollment number. In class, you have to write your semester, your current year, your branch, name of subject and code, etc. And fourth point, you can use register pages or file pages in case A4 sheets are not available. Avoid going outside. Fifth point, you must write question number and answers very clearly. Now instruction for the exam day. First point, you will get invitation mail from college to join the Google Classroom. Second point, after joining the Google Classroom, in the class work section, you will find the exam link. Let's see in this figure, you can see classwork inside the red circle area, and you can see exam link also. In the third point, on clicking the exam link, you will find the subject paper. On completion of exam, your answer script need to be uploaded. For uploading, open Cam Scanner. Click on camera button inside Cam Scanner. Fourth point, on the next page, choose Docs option and multiple pages option. Let's see in the figure what you have to choose. You can see in the red circle area Docs option and multiple page option. In the fifth point, take pictures of all pages of your answer copy. by clicking camera button again and again. 6th point. Please do remember that you have to numbering each page of your answer copy. 7th point. Save your answer copy by giving the title, your university roll number, then your subject code. Let's see in the figure how. In the top position, you can see in the red circle area, university roll number underscore your subject code. In the 8th point, share your answer copy in PDF format via Google Classroom. 9th point, after sharing on Google Classroom, click on Attach to Assignment. This will take some time depending upon your data speed or number of answer copy pages. 10th point, scroll the arrow upwards, then just click on hand in button. Let's see in the figure. Here you can see the arrow inside the red circle area. We have to scroll this arrow upwards and we find hand in button. Just click the hand in button. 11th point, after clicking the hand in button you will get the message, work submitted. That's all. A very best of luck for your exam.